30 phrasal verbs for everyday life. Break up. Separate. Split up. Did Sarah and Mark break up? Yes, they split up last month. Call off. Cancel. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they canceled it due to bad weather. Turn off. Switch off. Did you remember to turn off the oven? Yes, I switched it off after baking. Turn on. Switch on. Can you turn on the lights? Sure, I'll switch them on. Plug in. Connect. Where should I plug in my laptop? You can plug in near the desk. Check in. Register. Do I need an ID to check in? Yes, you need an ID to check in. Check out. Pay and leave. How do I check out of my room? Visit reception to check out. Put on. Wear. Did you put on your shoes yet? I'm about to put them on now. Take off. Remove. Why don't you take off your hat? I prefer to wear it inside. Break down. Fail. Why did the car break down? It failed due to a mechanical issue. Break in. Force entry. Did the alarm sound when they broke in? The alarm didn't react to their force entry. Throw away. Bin. Put away. Tidy up. When will you put away the dishes? I'll tidy them up after dinner. Drive in. Pull into. What time did you drive in today? I pulled into work at about 8:30. Drive out. Leave by car. Can you drive out to the store? Sure, I can drive out to the store now. Fall down. Collapse. How did you fall down the stairs? I tripped and collapsed at the bottom. fall over, topple. What happened when you fell over in the race? I tripped and toppled over. Get on. Board a bus, train, or plane. How do you get on the bus here? You can get on the bus at the stop over there. Get off. Leave a bus, train, or plane. Can I get off at the next station? Yes, leave at the next station. Get in. Enter. When do you get in the car? I get in the car when it's parked. Look up. Search. Where can I look up the schedule? You can search for the schedule online. Look for. Search for. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Look after. Take care of. He looks after the pets during weekends. Walk in. Enter. She walked in just as the meeting started. Walk out. Leave. She walked out during the play. Walk away. Leave. He walked away from the argument. Walk over. Dominate. Don't let people walk over you. Stand up for yourself. Pick up. Collect. She bent down to pick up the fallen book. Drop off. Deliver. She dropped off the documents at my office this morning. Run into. Encounter, meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the mall yesterday.